Hey everybody, it's Miss Teacher Teaches Tech here, and today I'm going to show you how to use a Bitmoji in your classroom. So if you don't already have the Bitmoji extension from the Chrome Web Store, all you got to do is just go to the web store, type in Bitmoji, download that. After that, you will need to log in with Snapchat. So if you have a Snapchat account, you can go ahead and connect your Bitmoji to the Chrome extension. After you've done that, you have now a wide access and array of things that you can do with the Bitmoji extension. For example, if you're typing email to staff, students, parents, colleagues, you can use these Bitmojis to further show or further demonstrate an emotion that you're trying to get across. You can also integrate your Bitmoji on your daily Google Slides. So here I have examples of exit tickets that I've used, and in order to grasp the students' attention to what I'm trying to get them to concentrate on, I integrate my Bitmoji doing certain things and different things and just a variety of different scenarios and displaying different emotions to convey that to students. Here I have a blank slide, and you can actually copy and paste your Bitmoji onto the slide, and here I'm just simply typing in, a bell ringer that I would like my students to do for the day, and I'm going in and I'm giving that command, that task that they are supposed to do. And what I do is I have my Bitmoji there to the side to kind of demonstrate or show relatability to the topic that's being presented. Another thing that you can do is go to your Google photo and you can actually change your profile picture to your Bitmoji. This will actually pop up on Google Docs when you are providing comments for your students regarding their writing, and it will also pop up in your email as your profile picture as well. Alright, so what I'm doing here is I'm actually creating a presentation of some sorts. It's actually like cards, if you will. And I just use the Google Slides program in order to do what I need to do. But what I'm doing here is I'm creating what's called levels of understanding, where students are able to easily identify whether or not they're struggling with something or like a concept, whether or not they get it, they need a little bit of help, or they can teach another student. So here I'm putting in my Bitmoji for the different levels of understanding that are present. And so for level 1, that's going to be, the bare bottom. I don't get it. I don't understand it. I'm having trouble. I'm confused. I need help. So here I'm putting a Bitmoji that relates to that confusion, so that way they can identify with that a little bit better than just putting text on a screen. A cool thing that you can do is actually print these out, and you can post these up as posters up in your classroom, or you can actually print out small little manageable cards for students, and that way when they're working independently and you're going around, they can have the level displayed on their desk, so that way you know where they're at and their understanding. And so here for level 2, I sort of get it, but I need more practice, and again I put a Bitmoji that is related. So basically, whenever you're trying to incorporate Bitmojis into your classroom, however you're trying to do that, whether that's encouraging posters, levels of understanding, things to engage them on your Google Slides or your presentations, you essentially just want to make sure that whatever you're choosing for your Bitmoji, it's related to whatever concept you're trying to address, whatever topic you guys are talking about, whatever action you're wanting them to do. Just make sure that there's a lot of relatability to that, and it's going to be easy for students to identify later on down the road. I absolutely love using these in my lessons, and the kids comment on them all the time. They comment on my new hair, my new Bitmoji clothes. They really get into it. You can also integrate this into Google Forms. So here I'm going to have like a sample question, if you will, and then what I'm going to do is, part of my instructions is I'm going to actually add my Bitmoji image, and I'm going to say it's quiz time, do your best, take your time, and refer back to the text to support your answers. You can do this, and so whenever the kids see that, it's eye-catching, it provides a little bit of an environment of positivity, and it keeps them more interacted through the process. If you're interested in getting a free copy of the levels of understanding that I created, all you got to do is just replace your own Bitmoji, and you can print it off and post it in your Google Classroom. Link is down below in the description. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe if you're a teacher looking to integrate tech into your classroom. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.